The Journal Finder is a tool you can use to browse the library's journal collection. You can access the Journal Finder from the library's website. On the homepage, go to Resources, then Journals. You'll see that we have links to our most popular journals listed at the top, and in the middle of the page, you can click on the Journal Finder link to browse our full journal collection. It will ask you to log in using your full USA email address and email password. This is the Journal Finder. You'll notice at the top that you can search by journal title or by subject. You can also browse journals by discipline. For example, if you want to see all of the anatomy and physiology journals we have, you can just click this link and it'll pull up all 144 journals on this topic. Let's say you want to search for the American Journal of Occupational Therapy to see our access to that. Just type in the title and click search. The results page will pull up all of our access to this journal. First, you see this search within publication box. That would allow you to search within this specific journal only. Or you can use one of these full text access links to browse issues of the journal. Pay attention to the years listed next to each of these links. For example, from CINAHL, we have access to this journal from 1980 to present, while other databases like Education Database or Health and Medical Collection, we only have access from 2006 to present. You'll also be told when we have access to print issues of the journal on different campuses. For example, we have access to this journal in print from Austin and San Marcos. To get full text access to the issues, just click on one of the full text links. For example, we'll click to go to get full text access from the publisher's website. This takes us to the publisher's website through our library connection, and then you can click to read articles from the current issue or browse past issues. Let's do another search. This time, let's see if we have access to the Spine Journal. Our search for the Spine Journal pulls up multiple journals because we have access to 7 journals that have the words spine and journal in the title. So you want to pay attention to make sure you're clicking on the exact journal you need. The journal we want, the Spine Journal, comes up as the first result. Again, I can search within publication, or you can look at the full text access links and see once again we have access to this journal in print on the St. Augustine campus from 2001 to 2002, or you can go to access digital copies of this journal from Science Direct back to 2010. If you have any questions on how to use the Journal Finder, please email us at library@usa.edu.